Hello everybody, welcome back to my Learn Scratch channel, and today I'm going to show you how to make another project. This time it's going to be a Memorial Day special because today's Memorial Day. Okay, let's get started. Okay, so not much talking, more creating. So we're going to X out the cat sprite, and now we're going to get another one. We're going to name this flag. You can make it any color you like. I'm gonna make it pink and purple. But you can make an American or an Indian or something, whatever culture you are. I'm just gonna do pink and purple just to show you. Oh yeah. So we're gonna go to the square and choose your color for the top. Then you drag out a rectangle that's about this size. Put that there. Now all you have to do is drag out another rectangle that's another color or brown and do this. And that's it. You made a flag. That's a flag. That's a flag. Oh, that's a flag. I think I want to make a heart on this flag too. Why do I like hearts so much? Okay, now all you have to do is add an oval and then tilt it at an angle, then go to the mouse, copy, paste, flip horizontal, put it here, and done. Now I don't want an outline for this, so I'm just gonna press these to remove the outline, and boom, we finished our cute little flag. Now, what are we gonna do with this flag? I have no idea, but we might be able to do some animation with this flag. I think I want to add some juicy highlights to this because it's looking old, so plain. Add a circle and go to this and drag, make it a little bigger. 30, actually 20. Yeah, 20. There, now we added our juicy highlight. So now here's our flag. So what are we gonna do with this flag next? I think I wanna go to the code and add some code. Oh, I wanna add a background. I'm gonna add blue sky. So why add blue sky to most of my projects is because it looks pretty. It looks so pretty. It matches my drawings. So you can make any type of flag. I'm just saying this again, if you haven't made yours yet, you can pause the video and do it. So now we have the code. We need to do the code. Now, when green flag clicked, of course, we need to add that to every project. So it resets or does something, or resets and does something like whatever code you have under your when green flag clicked, and then you can do your other events blocks, event blocks. Okay, now we got our when green flag clicked. Now we're going to make some animation. So I think I want to make this flag like make movements. So I want this flag to move. Why I want this to move is because if I want to make it move, then it will give some more animation. Actually, I don't want to make it move. I want something else. I want it to be, ooh, animation. Okay, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna make it say Happy Memorial Day over here. So let's make some animation. Oh, did you see my mouse become so big? Now I'm going to make the letters red and blue, red and blue. Okay. H. Oh my God. Now this is gonna be tricky. Okay, I'm just gonna put some nice music and do that. Actually, I don't want to make any music. I'm just gonna talk. Make this uppercase. Oh my god, how long is this gonna take? Put this in the correct position. I think you can't see the edge, so I want to make it a different background. How about light red? There, now you can see it. Can you see it? Can you see the edge? The edge is like so light. I don't know why I made that so light. Okay, now I think you see it. Okay, can you see it now? Yeah, I think you see it. Tell me in the comments down below if you can see it. Because I see it. I see it. Yeah, I see it. Okay, now time for blue again. Oh, that looks like beige. Okay, time for the blue. Okay, we're gonna type A. Actually, not A, P. P, because there are two P's in happy. Okay, no. I want the mouse. Actually, I want to duplicate this P and turn it red. Copy, paste, red, there. Now we have our perfect P. Perfect P. I don't know why I said perfect P. And then there's a Y. Just go and find the color there. Now I'm gonna type Y and put it right here. Okay, this is gonna take forever, so I just wanna do something that says happy is blue and the memorial is red and day is blue. Oh my god, this is gonna take forever, but I'm just still gonna do it. Now we want this flag to be over here. Happy Memorial Day. Okay. Now we're gonna make this red again. Red. Okay, you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. Now it's time to do it. Delete. Now we do it. Actually, I want blue sky, one blue sky, one blue sky, one blue sky, one blue sky. I'm getting blue sky too. And now it's time. It's time to do the Happy Memorial Day. Flag, I want a flag. Emoji, no, there's no flag emoji. Okay, now we make this a little bigger. I think we should make it bigger. I want to make it bigger. Okay, Happy Memorial Day, and it should play some nice music, some fancy music, I guess. Because Memorial Day is not fancy, it's just a nice day for flags. It's the day of the flags. No, it's not. Okay. The day of the flags. I'm calling it Day of Flags. I don't know why. Okay, now let's start the code. When green flag clicked, we're gonna switch costume to costume 1, our first costume. Then we're gonna wait 1 second. Actually, we want 3. I'm gonna make a variable called seconds. And then for all sprites and cloud variable, no, seconds. Now we're gonna put the seconds variable over here. And next, we're gonna set above the costume block, we're gonna do set seconds to 0. And now what we're gonna do is we're gonna say change set seconds to 1, 2, and 3. Now I'm just saying change this to seconds, seconds. Okay, let's try this animation. What? It just changed to 3. I think we need wait blocks. Wait blocks, wait blocks, wait blocks. Okay, now let's try. Wait, have you tried 1, 2, 3? There. Now it's counting down. Okay, now we set it to 0. Oh no, we set it to 0. And then, oh, I think we need to wait. Okay, there. Now it says 1, 2, 3. Now I set it to 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. So we have our project now, but I think I want to add some more animation. So after this, wait 3 seconds. I want to play music. Okay, I want to do ta-da because it sounds more like Memorial Day themed. I don't know why I said that. Play sound ta-da, and then I'm gonna switch costume to costume 2. Actually, I want to start sound, so then it will be better. There, now we have our project. Let's go watch it. Oh yeah, that's a nice animation. Yes, it is. A nice animation. Okay, that's it for today. That's a short animation. I think I'll make another video today. I'm not sure. I'm very busy. Very, very, very busy. I may make more Scratch projects soon, so I hope you can see them too. And now I really need to name this project. There. Oh, the cute needs. Okay, guys, that's it for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe if you want to see more of these amazing Learn Sketch videos, and don't forget to hit that notification bell if you want to see more of these amazing Learn Sketch videos. Also, tell me in the comments down below what kind of Learn Sketch video you want next. Bye, guys, and have a wonderful Memorial Day. Yay! Bye. Memorial Day, so fun! Yay! Oh, I'm partying. Like partying. Get it? I'm not gonna do the drum thing now. Okay, so bye guys. See you next time.